love to be English, and all you think it is the Queen and her gods taking tea. But the hatred and the bigotry won't go away. No blacks, no Irish, bring no dogs to shame of being something other than the same as everyone else. Well, I don't want to be like you, but my skin is so pale, my manners so fine. You think that I am just like you, and you're frightened to travel till you make the world look just the same as home, while your kids buy guns and shoot their friends and die alone. No mind, no judgment lets you take the blame. Send those bloody strangers back from where they came. Does that mean me too? Oh, my mother in her small red coat, stepping off the boat, doing jobs you're too damn lazy to. All this greatness gone to waste. You hide your eyes and turn your face, and nothing ever changes. No, nothing ever changes. So keep your bulldogs, keep your flags, 'cause talk is cheap and time will drag, and nothing ever changes. No, nothing ever changes. I will always be English, and all I hope it is, these shores I will claim as my own. This broken down Jerusalem, you're still my home.